A lot of you are asking about a couple of the questions in the paycheck activity. And I think what's going on is that you are looking at the commission level and then basing the entire lump sum of the commission on that rate in that level. So, and that is done, but there are times where an employer will make the bonus or the commission tiered so that people will be motivated to keep doing more and get higher bonuses. And then this is that case. So I had a little bit of fun coming up with this example, coming up with silly names. And this example will apply to any of those questions I gave you that have the different tiered bonuses. So we have Fruitopia Folly Farm Pay. Jesse Blueberry Pluckington works at Fruitopia Folly Farm. The head farmer tells his workers that it is time to pick the blueberries. I can tell you that when I made up this question, I was eating blueberries. So that's where this came from. He wants to get his huge job done quickly so he can sell the blueberries while they are fresh. His workers make $15 per hour. And to get his employees motivated and get the job done fast, he offers bonus pay shown in the table below. Jesse works 8 hours and picks a total of 41 pounds of blueberries. So for 8 hours, no matter what, he gets paid $15 an hour. That's his base pay here. So I made a chart so we can start adding this up. So his base pay for the day is 8 times 15, so that's $120. And then, let's see. Because he picked 41 pounds, that means he's going to breeze right through all three of these levels. So I think what you guys were doing is that you were looking at just this level and saying, well, he picked 41 pounds. So come across here and you see, oh, the bonus pay is $10 per pound. And then you take 10 times 41 or whatever, the similar situation with the commission. But what you need to know is that this is in tiers. So you need to look at the whole entire span and fit each of those quantities in these different levels. And it's kind of hard to explain. So I made up a number line here so that I can show you a visual representation of what I'm saying, and it will make a little bit more sense that way. So this first tier says, if Jesse picks over 20 pounds but less than or equal to 30 pounds, anything in this level, he gets paid $5 per pound. So the farmer isn't paying him bonus for the first 20 pounds. He's expecting them to pick 20 pounds no matter what. That's what he's expecting. So the first 20 pounds, so I'm going up to 20 pounds right here. So this is no bonus for this. He just expects everybody to pick 20 pounds. But if they go over 20 pounds on this level and stays under or equal to 30, so that means from 21 to 30. For the number of pounds, so if you lined out all of his blueberries that he picked and you put them in 1 pound groupings, then from 0 to 20, that's taken away. No bonus for that. The next group of 10, from 21 to 30, he gets paid $5 per pound for this. So on this level right here, he gets paid a bonus of $5 per pound. And because there's 10 pounds on that level, then he's going to get 5 times 10. He'll get $50 bonus because he picked 30. Now, he went over the 30 pounds and he picked actually, he has pounds between 30 and 40. So let's see. So from 31, anything greater than 30, but less than or equal to 40. So we took away all of the blueberries from 0 to 30. Now we're looking at the next grouping. So from 31 to 40, he gets a bonus of $7 per pound. So on this level here, there's 10 pounds on this level, and he picked all of them. So he gets $7 per pound times 10 pounds. That's $70 bonus for this level. All right, last level. He made it to the third tier, but he only got 1 pound in that third tier. So in that last level, since he only has 1 pound that made it into that level, and he's going to make $10 per pound, so he's going to get 1 pound times $10. That's going to be $10 bonus for this level. Oh, it looks like I forgot to finish that here. I'll just add it in. So now if we add that all up with his base pay, so we have 50 and 70, that's 120. Then another 10 is 130. And then when we add in the 120, he gets for that day gross pay before they deduct anything. He gets gross pay of $250.